Now let us talk about some other racking types which might not be very common but in our country, but it's in use in internationally and in developed countries as well. There is adjustable pallet racking, which is most common form of racking and is widely used in warehouses, factories and workshops. Pallets are placed single deep onto the horizontal beams. So there are metal beams on which stacks are being placed. Pallets would be placed, running parallel to the aisles. So the placement would be such that it would be a single pallet that would be running parallel to the aisle. And these beams would be fixed, the horizontal beams would be supported by the vertical frames. This is the adjustable pallet racking. You can adjust the horizontal beams. Actually, this is one of the important feature of this type of racking. So beams can be, the horizontal beams are adjustable at different levels so that the racking capacity can be changed. Then there is double deep racking. This is a variation of a single deep adjustable pallet racking, with the racking being constructed 2 pallet positions deep from the aisles. In single deep racking, there was positioning of one pallet in one section, whereas in double deep, the adjustability is up to double. That is, you can double the capacity of that beam. This provides denser storage. That means you can store more here. So denser storage here means more storage capacity than single deep adjustable pallet racking. In single deep, we can adjust the horizontal beams. In double deep, we have the capacity, double capacity with us, and then it also has the capability of changing the horizontal beam position. Although not as dense as block stacking, because in block stacking you can just stack the racks, you can just stack the pallets on each other, but it has its limitation like of crushability and the height, of course, but it is still very important. Height of a pallet is also a limitation for single deep and double deep racking types, but you can store more. In double deep, it is still comparatively lower than that of block stacking, but still it provides you the flexibility. The other limitation of the it actually relaxes the limitation that you need to have same type of SKUs. You can actually adjust. So if you have some smaller number of SKUs in one pallet, you can adjust the beam so that it would be there, and the other capacity would be for the other SKU. So the storage might not be as dense as the block stacking or the drive-in racking or the pushback racking. The storage may not still be that much, but it gives you more flexibility. This is the double deep, and you can see in one section there are two type of pallets, two pallet stacks, and they are adjustable as well. Of course, the movement would be, you need proper aisles for these type of stackings. So this is achieved by constructing single deep adjustable racking onto powered base frames. These frames take the whole weight of the double runs of racking between aisles and move on the wheels along rail lines embedded into the warehouse floors. If you are using narrower aisles, then in that case, you need to construct the powered adjustable rack and the powered base frame. So, what will happen? There will be wheels on each adjustable frame base, and you can just take it out and place it in the aisle on the aisle and move it. Because on narrower aisles, you cannot move the forklift trucks. So you need to have like wheels which would be taken out and it would be powered by some battery and you can just move them along. So this is the mechanism or some emerging thing in the racking systems. Thank you.